Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called Uizard.io. Using this, you can design stunning mobile apps in few minutes. You can visualize and communicate your ideas in an effortless way. There is no design experience that is required. So you can start for free. So it has been used by some of the top companies that you can see here. Now what it does is you can upload even a screenshot of anything. So you can upload a screenshot. Now after uploading the screenshot, it will create an UI based on the screenshot, and you can edit things within that uh, using there. Now if you go here, you can see that any screenshot is turned into an editable design. So you need not need any design experience. Even a napkin sketch can be turned into a screen, UI screen. So you can create a theme. So you can start using some of the existing designs available here. So in this way, you can create a very good UI without the need of a UI designer. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.